Hi, my name is Terry, and I'm gonna tell you a little story about me eating some bananas, 'cause I love them so much. So this one day, I was feeling quite low on potassium, and so I figured I should go to the local grocery mart and get myself a fix of yellow delicious bananas. So I got my shoes on and I got out of the store where I live, and I went to the other store and bought a bunch of bananas. And they were a little green when I bought them, but that's okay. I like them a little ripe. And I took them back and I ate all of them. I sat down and ate all fucking 6 of them. It was crazy. Okay, let me tell you another story.